This is Gordon Wade presenting our CS171 final project on behalf of myself, Nate Mortensen, and Tashrif Billah. We chose to focus on the United States National Park System. We were interested in this due to the effect that COVID-19 has had on everyday life and recreational opportunities. Our first visualization speaks to this by allowing users to view data on park visitation numbers between 2020 and 2019 at various levels of granularity. Our remaining visualizations focus on educating the user about the national parks and helping them to determine which parks they might like to explore. To provide some context, we give a timeline with important dates such as park-related laws and park founding dates. Below this, we have a brush tip that allows us to see details and skip around to events we might find interesting. Next up, we have a cartogram representing the United States to show where the most parks are located. Each hexagon corresponds to one park, and the regions are color-coded. The tooltip shows detailed information on the parks that are present in each state. For the remaining visualizations, we rely on user input to help us determine which parks are a best match for the user. First up, we ask the user which region they might be interested in exploring. Here we have detailed information in the tooltips and can click to update the sidebar with more information as well. Once the user has selected a region, we move on to activities. Here we allow the user to give us information on the types of activities that they enjoy. We then use that information to populate this chart, which ranks each park on a number of categories based on the activities offered at that park. As we can see, the top matches update and are displayed as the user gives more input. Next up, we want to take into account the user's comfort with crowds and preferences for season. Here we rank the parks based on the popularity or the least amount of crowds depending on the user preference for each season. Finally, we compile these results and give the user all the information they need in order to plan a great trip to the national parks.